Hey guys, it's August 8th, and I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging much this month. And I'm sorry that last month's vlog was a little bit late. I finally moved into my house, or our little small dwelling, and I'll show you around a little bit. So sorry it's so dark. There's our refrigerator, my hutch, and our little kitchen area with books, of course, because I am a book collector. Our microwave with craft stuff is in there. It's a little disorganized. Here's my bunny. You guys are always requesting to see him. Right, Hades? Hi, Hades. It's my bunny. And then my ferret. We have a towel over her cage because she's right underneath the vent, and it gets really cold in here at night, so we try to block it off a little bit so she's not shivering so much. Here's Anubis. He's trying to get my attention. And this is my living room. It's a little messy right now because I need to do some cleaning. There's our TV setup with a whole bunch of books, and our game setup right here with our game consoles up there and right around here. So this is where I play games. I've been playing on the Switch lately. And there's some more books, some manga, and some books I'm reading. There's the dog food dish and the dog food water. And here's the boxes that we need to unpack or put into storage because we ran out of space to put stuff because I had to get rid of my hutch because I had a broken leg. This is my filming setup. I just got done filming. This is my computer setup. Everything's moved because I didn't have enough room for the tripod. And that's my laundry basket full of clean clothes. And this is my dining area, which is a mess. Like I said, I need to clean up right now. This is my bedroom. Usually I have the bed all cleaned up for you guys because I'm usually filming in front of it. But I am not now, or I might be in the future. Who knows? This is my lotion shelf. I have a lot of them. I told you I have a lot to test. And I do. I have a lot to test. My makeup shelf. My second makeup shelf. My face mask and my eyelash shelf. And more stuff I have to put onto the shelves. I have a lot of stuff. More clothes I have to unpack. My TV station for the inside of the bedroom. And my side of the room with my craft bins, which need to be untaped, in my jewelry box. We've been living here for about 3 weeks now. And I still don't have it undone fully. And this is my bathroom. It's very small, but it's a bathroom. And that's my house tour. My cat's playing with the string of my camera. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's Tessa. And so on. Sorry it's such a mess. I was not expecting to film a vlog today, but I figured, well, I have makeup on. I have put makeup on finally since a month. And I might as well film a little bit. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little house tour. Hey guys, it's August 30th. Sorry for my lack of vlog this month. I'll be combining this month and next month together because of it. I've been just adjusting to the move still. Getting used to working schedules, like my working schedule at least. And trying to figure out mailing and post office and DMV and all of that. Which we still haven't done, which is not good. But we were waiting for our mail to send so we have 2 proof of address because we need them here. So we needed to wait for Zach to get 2 mail come in so that we could do his DMV. we finally got it yesterday. Like, it took an entire month for us to get 2 mail for him to come in for the DMV. So yes, I've been very stressed lately because I've been working on my book, and I ran into a point in my book where I got lost. Like, I have scenes for it, but I realized I don't have enough words. You need a certain amount of words, or a limit. There's a limit, there's a minimum and there's a maximum of words you should have for your new debut novel. Mine is very low, so I need to beef up my book, and beefing it up is really like frustrating me, because it's like, where should I beef it up? How should I beef it up? Should I take from book 2 and add to book 1 and then figure out how to do book 2? And so on and so forth. So I finally did an outline, which is, there's 2 types of people in the writing world. There's pantsers and there's plotters. I'm usually a pantser, where I just write the story without outlining it and everything. So for the first time, I actually have to outline my book. And I'm very confused and frustrated about it, but I did it. I outlined it. It's all in my planner. This is my planner. I write everything in this planner. I write notes for my YouTube channel. I write my scheduling in here. I write my finances in here. I write everything in this book. And so I finally had to outline my book. So it was a first. It was confusing. It was difficult, but I did it. I do have a new Instagram channel. I do have a new Instagram for my author and writing side. It's It's Lee.Scott. So I will put it right here for you if you would like to follow that and get tidbits about my book and little things about my book, like quotes, schedules if I ever get it done. Well, it will get done, I promise. When it would ever be published, book covers, like an actual book cover, because the book cover I have on my website is an unofficial book cover. I just have it on there to prove that, not to prove anything, but to say, hey, there's a book coming out eventually. But it's not going to be the official book cover. So, cue on that. So yes, what else do I need to tell you guys? I want to do more videos. I'm not sure what kind of videos I'm going to end up doing, but I want to do more. So give me some ideas if you would like. I'm going to do more makeup ones. I just have been, like I said, very busy lately, so I haven't been putting makeup on. I haven't been taking care of myself. As you can see, I have like really bad dark circles in my eyes because I keep rubbing them, and I'm not taking care of myself very much. And I learned something today that's actually very distressing to me. I was watching a few people on YouTube that lost weight and how they did it, how they got motivated and everything to lose weight. Because I'm up to 145 for 5'0", which is, it's not like obese, but it is heavy for a person who's 5'0", and it's because of my medication and because I learned that I have a food addiction. When I was watching it, someone was describing it to me, and I was like, that's exactly what I have. I don't binge eat, but I do have a food addiction where I eat without thinking, and I eat till I almost like feel like I'm gonna explode kind of situation. And I continuously eat it throughout the day when I don't need to eat. When I'm not hungry, when I'm not starving, when I'm not even in the middle point of it. I just eat because there's food in the house. And part of me thinks that the food's gonna disappear or go bad. So that's one of my problems. So I have to learn to combat that so I can get back into a healthy weight for myself. That's what I want to do. I want to get a healthy weight for myself. I want my abs back, honestly. I had abs back in high school, and it was beautiful. So I have to find a way to get back into that. So I have been working out for the last week. Only 3 days a week so far. But I'm doing a challenge now for abdomens. So I follow a app called FitOn, and it's free, and you can schedule or pick how many days you want to work out during the week, how long those workouts are, what kind of workouts they are, what kind of types they are. And you can do challenges, and that's what I'm doing. I'm doing an abdomen challenge, and I do workouts 3 times a week. The abdomen challenge is gonna be like once every day, basically. So it's gonna be more than 3 times a week. It's gonna be like every day, because it's a 28-day challenge. The only days I'm not gonna work out is Sunday and Tuesday, because that's the days that Zach has off. So yeah, my eyes are watering me because I just rubbed them a lot. I don't know if you can even tell. They are a little bit red because I just rubbed them really bad because they're drying up. One of my problems that I have. So I am working on myself. I'm working on my book. Sorry for my lack of videos as of late. I'm gonna get back into it, I promise. Like I said, if you have any ideas for me, because I'm running out of ideas for mental health videos, honestly. Some people are asking me for certain mental health videos that I do not personally feel comfortable doing. I'm not going to talk about those because I don't want to pinpoint anyone out. But just go ahead and ask, and if I don't do the videos, that means I'm not comfortable with them. And if there's any particular ones you want me to bring out, go on ahead and ask. I mean, I'm happy to do it if I can. And so on. I'm gonna let you go. I'll see you in the next part of the vlog. Hey guys, it's September 4th and I got some news. So Zach's work is doing very well with their sales, and so Zach got a raise. That's something that's really exciting for us. So yay! He got a raise and he got a bonus. So good news is coming finally. And I am now switching over to Verizon, which is nerve-wracking because whenever you switch phones in general, you want to make sure all your apps are going through and all your pictures are going through and all that stuff. And I'm just worried that it won't go through. But I'll find out later today. So, hey guys, I just got done filming 3 videos for you. A makeup video, a unboxing video, and my entertainment video or media video. I don't know what I'm going to call that one yet, but it will probably be up before this vlog is up, so we'll see by then. So yes, I just got done filming. Got my dog right here and my cat right there. So if you hear noises in the background of the videos, I'm very, very sorry. I live with roommates, so they do make noises and I can't tell them to stop. They live upstairs. It's half their house too. So I usually film on Thursdays because usually they're not home on Thursdays and Sundays. And they were home today, so. But I needed to film. I needed to get that unboxing video up before too many days pass because I get it for free. So I have to kind of film it and review it and put it up at certain time points. I don't have to. I just choose to because it's professional. So, yes. That's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the videos I put up, and I'm glad that you guys are watching. Bye! Or see you in the next part of the video vlog. So I have a lot of work to do. I have to move this whole thing over there. I'm not going to do it on camera because it's going to take way too long. But I felt like telling you guys what my next project is. So that's a big project. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff on this shelf. But Zach got a computer, and it's taking up my makeup shelf. I can't even see my palettes because it's so dark right there. So I have to move it over there so I can see it better. And maybe move this unit right here over there instead. I don't know, maybe. Because I might not be able to see it with this here also. This is my crafting station. It's still wrapped up from the move. So that's the plan. Thought I'd let you guys know.